What's up guys, the Raish here, welcoming you back into another video. And I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video that in this video today we are comparing two best available smartwatches within the market, Huawei GT2 and a GT2E. I have been using GT2 from last 6 months and a GT2E from last 1 month. Now this video is completely based on the comparison between both of these smartwatches, all their features and what they can do, what they can't as well. But if you think I'm unable to answer you anything within it, check the link in the video description for another detailed video review I have done for both smartwatches, which will give you more idea. There is also a Q&A section as well. So just before we deep dive into the video, I have a request to all of you that if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more as well. Or let me know in the comment section down below that which smartwatch you like the most and which ones you would like to have a comparison against each other. Now let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into the video. Now first to start with, let's go ahead and talk about the design and the build quality on both smartwatches. Starting with the GT2, which comes with a 1.39-inch Amoled display with a 3D glass screen featuring a beautiful AMOLED display, offer highly accurate touch response for the unparalleled vision experience. While adopting the 3D glass screen in a smartwatch is kind of a new step into the industry. You would not see similar kind of watches around other than an Honor Magic 2. The high quality glass curved by the gemstone processing technology, which makes it durable and resistant to the water as well as the dust. Whereas on GT2E, the design is all about the energy and sports and concentrated over for the used market. Come with a durable stainless steel frame, which pairs flawlessly with the colorful fitness stripe for the comfortable grip, and also come with the same 1.39-inch AMOLED HD display and multitude of engraving watch faces blow you out any way, any moment. Both smartwatches also come with the built-in heart rate as well as SpO2 sensors, whereas on GT2 you have extras starting with the speaker output and a microphone which will help you to listen music as well as use this smartwatch as a hands-free too. And on GT2E you do not have any feature like that at all. Now both smartwatches GT2 and GT2E are available in multiple of variants, so I'm sure you are going to find the one you are looking for. Now both smartwatches are compatible to go with any 22mm quick release wristbands, but the problem with this GT2E is that the band which it comes with, you cannot install that on any other smartwatch. Now to prove the point, I'm going to remove this wristband from my GT2 smartwatch and connect it on my GT2E, just to show you how it's going to look like if you are having any thoughts actually. Now from the design side, you can actually tell that Huawei had done a really good job by putting any belt which will go inside. Actually, you can't really see it right in here link wise or anything. Like if you look into the GT2 smartwatch, you can see the gap through. In here, you can't see any gap at all. Looks awesome, to be honest with you. Now, if I think about installing GT2E wristband with my GT2 smartwatch, it's not really possible and it's not going to look great at all too. Now, within the video description, I have placed a link for 22mm wristbands I can find on Amazon. So they are there for you to, if you wanted to have a look into them. Now to get more watch faces, you have to have a Huawei Health application, where within the application there are hundreds of watch faces available for both smartwatches, and you will also find the difference between the watch faces available for both smartwatches too. Here I have a list of smartwatch faces for GT2. And there are definitely more than 150 watch faces. And here you have a watch faces for Huawei GT2E. There are plenty of them which are similar to Huawei GT2, but you will find the differences as well. Now both smartwatches are running exactly same Huawei Wear OS, where all the options are on the same places, so as the settings as well. They also offer same display modes as well as a standby watch faces too, where you can have a selection of multiple faces if you want to, and just choose the one which you would like to show right on your screen. Now within the smartwatch, both all application menus are roughly the same actually. To start with, you got a workout status, heart rate, SpO2, activity, sleeping and much more in there. But if you look at it in more detail, on your GT2E, you got an option for call logs actually, where you can see all the people who called you, and you can actually call them back as well. Whereas on GT2E, you do not have any feature like that. Now on GT2, you also have an option for contact too, but for that have to use Huawei Health application on your mobile phone. And other than that, most of the options inside are exactly the similar ones. Now this is pretty much obvious that Huawei cannot make two similar kind of products to compete with each other. So what they have done actually, within Huawei GT2E smartwatch, you got another option which is a very unique one, that which will automatically start 6 unique activities, workout activities, guys. So whenever you're running, whenever you're walking, it automatically starts the working out regime within the smartwatch. And you can also turn that option on or off if you want to. Now, having the operating system exactly the same within both smartwatches, you're going to see the same plates as well in front, which are also customizable within your Huawei Health application. Now within both smartwatches, you have a music players built in, which come with the 4 GB of memory, so you can transfer plenty of songs in them and pair them with your Bluetooth headset if you got it when you are out and about. I have done a detailed Q&A video about it, which will show you each and everything how you're going to do this all. Now working wise, on GT2E you can also pair your Bluetooth headset, which works fine too, but you cannot use the hands-free feature at all. Whereas on GT2E, all the hands-free features are available even on your earbuds too. On both smartwatches, you have got the option for finding your mobile phone, do not disturb, and also auto brightness control too, which will help you to use the smartwatch in a bright daylight and in indoor without worrying about the brightness settings. Now options like notification, weather, stopwatch, timer and alarms are available in here, so as a flashlight too. And these all typical options you are expected to have in most of the smartwatches available today in the market. And if you're interested in knowing how you can pair up Bluetooth headphones with this smartwatch, I have left a link in the video description, which will show you all questions and answers for the Huawei GT2 or Huawei GT2E you need to know. Now on both smartwatches, you have all the sensors you want to have available, starting with the heart rate sensor. On GT2 it works great, so as on GT2E. Another sensor like SpO2 worked awesome on both smartwatches. Sleeping record, barometer, feature of compass. Now on your Huawei GT2E, notifications come up very nicely and clear as well. If you scroll from top to bottom, you can see them completely as well, but you cannot reply back at all. So that is a thing which you need to remember. You can kind of read the whole message very clearly, no problem whatsoever. You can go through all of them and clear them on one click of a button. And selection of notification, that what would you like to see on your smartwatch, can be dealt within the Huawei Health application within the notification tab in here, where you can simply select it, that with what application you would like to get notified. Whenever it happened, you're going to get a notification on your smartwatch, no problem whatsoever. And now for the mobile phone calling, you only get the notification on your smartwatch, but to attend the call you have to use your mobile phone. GT2E does not come with a hands-free feature on it. And if you have your Bluetooth earbuds paired with the smartwatch, it doesn't really matter. That will not work as a hands-free as well. They are only for the music purpose. Whereas on your Huawei GT2 smartwatch, you can actually attend the phone call or disconnect if you want to. It comes with a built-in speaker and a microphone in it, so you can easily use it as a hand-free if you want to. And the notification from the apps, you're going to get them very clearly as well. You can navigate through them without any problem, and you're going to see them the full message as well, but you cannot play a video or audio. So that's a pretty decent kind of a feature, and exactly same as the GT2E. And within the Huawei Health application, you're also going to see the option for it, that what application you would like to receive notifications from. You can also set the application for your smart security system if you have it at home, like Arlo, Blink or whatever you have. If their app going to pop up a message, you're going to get the notification on your smartwatch too. You can just simply select the application from here. That's about it. It works great. I have tested it and it's been working great for me. Both smartwatches are also equipped with GPS and goal knots for accurate tracking of your fitness activities, and load them all into the Huawei Health application. To launch any of your activities, if you press the down button, you'll be straight on it. Simply select the activity you would like to go for. You can pause it or stop it if you want to by press of a one button. You can exactly do same thing on both smartwatches if you want to. You can just simply launch the activity you would like to go for. Whereas on GT2 smartwatch, you have a built-in speaker which will give you audible notification as well. And all that working activity information would be available in your Huawei Health application, where you can see the detailed data as well as the charts as well. You can also plot the GPS coordinates as well if you want to when you are doing the outdoor walk. And for the both smartwatches, you can launch the activity from your mobile phone too. But it's not necessary that you have to carry your mobile phone with you. Data can be transferred from your smartwatch straight to the Huawei Health application whenever they get connected. On GT2E smartwatch, you have a 6 auto detecting workout features which will automatically start to work straight away as soon as you started to perform the acts. And it also comes with the 85 custom workout mode which you can explore and click the one which suits your need. And within it, you're also going to see all the sports like a badminton, cricket and much more. Whereas in GT2, you have got a 15 fixed workout schemes available for you, and you can straight away go into them and enjoy. There's no automatic working out startup feature at all in that, but that's not a deal breaker at all from my side, to be honest with you. Let's suppose I'm doing any sort of working out, I normally select it and off I go. Now both Huawei GT2 and GT2E smartwatch use the same Huawei Health application and show kind of a similar options within it too. Starting with all about your health, how many kilometers you exercise, how's your heart rate doing, sleeping pattern, weight, as well as the SpO2 and stress level test. And down below, if you'd like to go into the devices, you can also interface both of your smartwatch within the one application too. But at the same time, you can only use one of them. So right now I'm connected with my Huawei GT2 smartwatch. So all the options to do with the faces and the music will be for this smartwatch, all it. Now if I will go into more settings of the smartwatch, now within the settings of your smartwatch, if it offers extra features like on GT2E, you have your favorite contact option. Now in here you can add some favorite contact from your mobile phone straight on your smartwatch to contact them directly if you want to, whereas that option is not available in a GT2E. Now application also give you option for the health monitor, where you can select or unselect the features you don't want it. Then you also get the help, music, alarms, weather, favorites which I mentioned earlier. Then down below in others you get a tab for the notification, which you can turn it on to get all the notification from your mobile phone straight on your smartwatch. Here is going to show you all the applications which can generate the notification, and you can select the one which you want to or unselect which is you don't want to. Simple as that. Select them and you can use them too. Device settings are also there as well to turn on your Bluetooth disconnection reminder or a wrist wake up option too, which is obviously you would like to have them on all the time. You can restore your smartwatch to the factory setting from the application as well as update its firmwares as well. I actually updated the firmware on my GT2 smartwatch where I got the extra option of SpO2 sensor. Now within the Huawei application you can also create your profiles where you can set your goals. In the profile you can set any change you want to do, any plans you have and stuff like that. Both Huawei GT2E and GT2 are 5 ATM water resistant. That means you can keep it in the water for 50 minutes and 50 meter deep. So you can use it while you're swimming if you want to. Well, I'm not a swimmer, but to try it, I've just shown you. I've been using it in the shower. I've been using it dipping into everything where I can find my hands onto. It's almost 6 months I have been using this GT2 smartwatch. To be honest with you, I'm pretty much happy with this performance and the way it is. I've been cleaning with the water as well because it gets dirtier on the back. Still working, what else you want? Whereas on my GT2E, it's been only a month and it's working great. Keep washing it on the back as well, because if you keep wearing this watch for 24 hours on your wristband, sometimes it leaves the marks on it, so you have to make sure you keep cleaning. Now both smartwatches come with a similar battery life, 2 weeks. Whereas on GT2E, if you're using GPS, you got a battery life of up to 27 hours, and on GT2 30 hours. That's not bad at all. On both smartwatches, you get the similar kind of a charging cradle, which is actually magnetically coupled, and it's a less likely a chance of getting it wrong, and it always works. Now throughout the whole video we spoke about the common features between GT2E and GT2 smartwatch, whereas there are some features which are not within both of them as well, starting with the NFC. Both smartwatches, if they are coming in a Europe or a US away, they do not have any NFC connectivity, so no contactless payment at all. But if you're in China, you can get a version which comes with the NFC feature built in. Both smartwatches also do not have any Wi-Fi connectivity at all, so the only connectivity you are getting is the Bluetooth. Well, now I suppose I have gave you enough information to decide that which smartwatch is for you. Now if you like to see more detailed video review on them, I will have a link in the video description for both of these smartwatches. And also there's a Q&A video as well if you'd like to check out what else these smartwatches can do. Features are exactly the same, so you will get an idea how good they are. Now that will be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now do let me know that which smartwatch you like the most in the comment section down below. I would be happy to see your comments. And also in future I will be doing other comparison videos between GT2E smartwatch and Amazfit as well, so stay tuned for them if you are interested in them as well. So that will be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.